Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will learn how to create chart using the SPSS software. So there are very basic 5 steps. Number 1, you need to open a data set. Then you need to go to the chart builder, set up the chart builder, assign some variables, and if you want, it's optional, you can customize your chart. So don't waste time, just directly go to the practice. So in the previous video, I used this data set. I mean the obesity data set. Here we can investigate, is there any relationship between height and weight? We can go to the chart graph, chart builder. Then here you will find lots of charts are in here. So for height and weight, we would like to investigate the relationship. So click this one, the scatter or dot. Drag and drop this one here. In the x-axis, I'm just drag and drop the height. Sorry, in y-axis, in x-axis, the weight, right? And just click OK. Here you can find the scatter plot. So now, if we would like to make a chart for gender distribution, just click chart, chart builder. Here you can click on bar chart. So drag and drop this bar chart in here. In x-axis, you just drag and drop the gender in the x-axis, and statistics, what statistics actually you want. So normally we can say the percentage or the cumulative percentage. Okay, it's a bar chart, right? Just click apply and click OK. So here you will find this bar chart. So if I would like to modify this bar chart, just double click is in here. You will find this window. Just click here. You will find these options, and you can change the chart size, text layout, text style, fill and border, variables, and lots of options are in here, right? It depends on you how you will modify your chart. Okay, it's all about creating chart in using the SPSS software. It's very simple. Okay, let's enjoy the SPSS.